standards. Huko Rift Valley watu wakibomolewa, Gachagua anasema mimi nimewaita, nimewawarn, nimewaambia hiyo maneno muache. What are you trying to show us as the Kamba community? What are you trying to show us as the Kamba community? Yani hao wengine ni watu kutushinda sisi. Once I became the governor of Machakos, whether people voted for me or not, they all became mine. Mheshimiwa Ruto, when you became the president of Kenya, whether people voted for you or not, you became the president of everybody. Hii maneno ya kuona wengine wengine kwa kukienda kubomolewa inasimamishwa, wengine kwa inabomolewa, mimi nataka kusema wale wako na madharau. We are a community that should be respected. Na kama watu wanataka vitu hapa kwetu, wakuje tusemezane. Let them come, we talk, and you tell us what is it that you have, and we tell you what we have as a community. If it is for the benefit of the community, I will stand for my people. There is no way, even if it was President Ruto and his people were being destroyed and brought down, he would fight for his people. I am here to fight for my people. I'm here to stand by my people. Na kama wanangojea niambie watu wangu waende kwa street waharibu mali ya Machakos, mimi sio mjinga. I'm not that stupid. And God forgive me, I'm saying this in church. The way